just understand that my muscle connection is for muscle growth. It's not a strength stimulus. The internal cues are different for both. When we're thinking about muscle growth, our cues should be keep the tension in the muscle, feel the tension in the muscle. Don't lose the tension. Keep the blood in it. Like they're your cues. Bicep, 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 bicep. Oh, where's bicep, bicep? That's the internal cues that you're telling yourself so you can get better stimulus on your muscle. We're now doing this for strength and you're trying to lift as much weight as possible. Your cues are different. Your cues are now lift the weight up, pull up as hard as you can, pull the ground away. Like these are the cues that you're giving yourself instead of internal cues like feel it in the bicep. Got your program, do deadlifts, 6 reps, 5 reps. My muscle connection can be a little bit different. You might do your first set on a strength set. 6 sets and under is pretty much a strength set. You might do your first set as a my muscle connection set because you want to get your glutes at least active so that you're not feeling your back, especially if you've got a poor connection already. Once you get that mad connection in your glutes, the next set, maybe do more of a strength set where you're like, pull the weight up as fast as you can. Then the next set, it's all strength. So that first set, maybe the second set, if you're feeling it, you'd want to do a my muscle connection, but definitely your working sets is trying to pull that weight up as far as you can off the ground and push the ground away as much as you can.
I always do a warm-up set just to make sure that, everything's all good. And then while doing that, I guess I can practice this muscle mind connection.
Get that connection.